Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video. Today I'm showing you how to reuse a quick weave unit. I hope y'all can see me. We are using a regular wig cap and an extra large wig cap. We have some glue and a blow dryer. So let's get started. Excuse my hair, y'all. Okay, so we are going to take the cap you want to, put under your wig. Just throw it on. Stretch it out a little bit. Child, this show don't look like no extra large. So we're gonna place this on the wig cap. Okay, next we're going to take the glue. Okay, the hair has been freshly washed. This is a quick weave that has been used. The hair has been used at least, this is like my 4th time using it. You see it already has like the cap in it from the previous. No smell or nothing. I know somebody might say it might sound nasty or something, but child, you gotta do what you gotta do. Especially if you're on the go, this is good for you. So, stretch this out. And I'm gonna take a little just above this part here. I'm starting in the front. Now wait like a couple seconds. Then slightly place the cap there. As you can see, I didn't go all the way down with the glue. I just stopped like a couple of inches back. And I'm gonna take close. It is on there. Let's see back. Okay, now that it's secured, I had to hold it down with some T-pins just to get it in shape. Then I'm gonna take the blow dryer, go around it. I'm gonna take our other cap we had and take the clips out. Now this is just to give it a shape and hold it down real good. I'm gonna take the blow dryer. Let that sit for about a good 10 minutes. Now I know y'all wondering where I got this from. My hairstylist, Deja be the stylist. Y'all go check her out on Instagram. She taught me about this method, so I just wanted to give it a try. Hopefully I did it right. I mean, it looks pretty secure. And I'm sure most people want to learn how to save money on some good weave. You don't have to throw your weave away. You can maintain it and try new methods. But everybody's not the same. If somebody gonna say, that's nasty, you're using weave. Okay, well, sweetie, I'm doing what I wanna do, okay? You don't have to reuse your weave if you don't want to. It's just an option, you know. Just try something new, okay? I also got this hair from Hair Boutique. It's the raw Malaysian. It's like my 4th time using it. It's really good hair. It's been altered. I got it in a 24 before. Now it's like about a 16, 18. And it blends so good. I got this closure from All Virgin Hair Boutique. They have really good closures. So it blends really well, no shedding. That's just my honest review, you know. It's not a sponsored or anything. But yeah. Hope you guys give this method a try. Let me know how it turned out. If you have any questions, concerns, thoughts, comments, anything, just comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.